Hello everyone, we meet again, and this time the talk of my video will be focusing on what is the perfect attire or how should we groom ourselves when we sit down for a video interview or a group discussion or even a conference call, that is a Google Meet or a Zoom setup on the laptop. Post-COVID, all our communication is being on the internet, right? So we need to definitely remember how to appear on camera. There are a few myths that I want to bust at the outset. The myth is that you can wear whatever you want because people can only see your shoulders and your face. So as long as your shoulders and your face is taken care of, you are sorted. I'm really sorry to break that myth. The best way to present yourself is up to your navel. If you're sitting down, up to 3 buttons down your shirt, unless you're wearing a button down itself, in which case it should be 4 buttons down your shirt. So up to your navel, up to the level of your hands if you have a table in front of you, so that you can sit with your hands in a very gently clasped position. This is what you should show, ideally, to the person that you're communicating with. From that end, definitely your hair, your face, your clothes are important. Many of us feel we only need to wear a proper professional outfit on the top. Doesn't really matter whether we are in our home clothes for the bottom part of our wear attire. I wouldn't really advocate that. Why? If I was in my pajamas today, underneath this formal shirt, I wouldn't be feeling comfortable talking to you. I wouldn't be feeling confident talking to you. It would somewhere be very evident to you that I was only trying to project an image of myself which was a little removed from the real thing. And besides, at least in the Indian context, you never know when you need to get up from the seat that you have proposed to sit on suddenly without much time to mute your microphone or put off your video camera. You just need to get up and respond to something that needs your emergency attention. So you're all attired well on top and the bottoms are your nightwear. Really wouldn't look good on camera. Hence, in reality, I would like to advise all of you, and I follow that advice myself, to groom myself from head to toe, inclusive of shoes and socks. If I'm sitting for an interview, if I'm sitting for a group discussion, if I'm sitting for a meeting, not only out of respect for myself and my professional role, but also out of respect for you. I would like to show you that respect by attiring entirely professionally for a job that is paying me, for a role that I'm earning out of. Also, of course, no cell phones in the hand, no background noise, eye contact with the audience, and always check yourself on the camera before you put on the camera for others. Ensure that your hair, your clothes, your look, your face is the best you can offer on that day. So please do not go by the myths of only dressing for work top half while neglecting the bottom. Thank you. I hope you keep this in mind and continue to soar professionally. Have a good day.